If you've ever felt like your money just disappears every month, you're not alone. Most people don't have a spending problem. They have an awareness problem. That's where a monthly money check-in comes in. It's not about being obsessive with spreadsheets. It's about giving yourself a moment to pause, reflect, and make small adjustments before your finances drift off course. Today, we'll break down a simple monthly routine that keeps your money goals on track. No stress, no guilt, just clarity. Think of your finances like driving a car. If you never check your dashboard, you won't notice when the fuel's low until you're stranded. A monthly money check-in is your dashboard moment. It helps you see where your money's going, what's working, and what needs a little fine-tuning. And the best part, it takes less than 30 minutes a month, but can save you hundreds every year. Step 1, review your spending, open your bank app or budget tracker. Ask, where did my money actually go? Spot the leaks. Those little purchases that add up fast. You can't fix what you don't see. Step 2, reflect on your goals. Are you saving for something specific, like travel, an emergency fund, or debt freedom? Check if your spending matched your priorities this month. If not, don't judge, just adjust. Step 3, update your balances, track your savings, investments, and debt totals. This helps you see progress even if it's slow. Watching those numbers grow builds momentum and motivation. Step 4, plan for next month, look ahead. Birthdays, bills, travel. Set reminders and pre-plan so surprises don't catch you off guard. You're not predicting the future, you're preparing for it. Pick one day each month, like the first Sunday or payday weekend, and make it your money date. Grab a coffee, play your favorite playlist, and make it something you actually look forward to. The more you make it a ritual, the easier it gets. And soon, you'll feel confident and in control every month. Because the truth is, wealthy people don't just make money, they check in with it regularly. If you're ready to take control of your money, 1 month at a time, start your first check-in today. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to show up for your money. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Grow My Savings and share it with someone who's ready to get intentional about their finances.